everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Emzini Wezinyembezi from the 20th to the 24th of July 2026 on Monday. Duduzile and Zakhele makes a life-changing decision. Oratile takes control of the podcast, and Lerato intensify her search for the truth at Emzini on Tuesday. Zakhele and Duduzile make a decision that sends shockwave through the Nkosi family, leaving some celebrating while others struggle to accept the new reality on Wednesday. Duduzile grows suspicious of Bandile's support for a reunion. Junior makes a costly decision amid a podcast fallout, and a game-changing deal leaves some people behind on Thursday. Junior's online attack on Oratile spiraled out of control. Bandile's scheme puts Zakhele in danger, and the tension at the commune rise as Lerato tightens her grips on Friday. Junior is at the center of a social media storm that threatens to tear the podcast apart. As pressure mounts from sponsors, Bandile is forced to make a decision that could cost him more than just a business. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.